We are going to Japan. We are going to Japan. We arrive in Tokyo. We arrive in Tokyo.
Look! Cherry blossoms are everywhere. Look! Cherry blossoms are everywhere.
The city is so big and busy. The city is so big and busy.
We
Ride
the
bullet train. We ride the bullet train. It goes so fast. It goes so fast.
we
Eat
ramen
for.
the first time.
We eat ramen for the first time.
The ramen is warm and delicious.
Mia tries to use chopsticks. Mia tries to use chopsticks. She picks up one noodle. Yes. She picks up one noodle. Yes.
Today, we visit a beautiful temple.
Temple.
Today, we visit a beautiful temple. We wash our hands at the fountain. We wash our hands at the fountain.
Sarah wears a beautiful kimono. Sarah wears a beautiful kimono.
Mia learns to fold origami.
Mia learns to fold origami.
She makes a little paper crane. She makes a little paper crane.
We go to Nara to see
To see
the deer. We go to Nara to see the deer.
the deer eat from Mia's hand. The deer eat from Mia's hand.
One deer bows to Frank. How?
Polite.
One deer bows to Frank. How polite.
We
Walk through.
the bamboo forest.
We walk through the bamboo forest. The bamboo is so tall and green.
Wow.
The bamboo is so tall and green.
Japan has vending machines everywhere. Japan has vending machines everywhere. You can buy hot drinks from a machine. You can buy hot drinks from a machine. We
See Mount Fuji.
from the train.
We see Mount Fuji from the train.
It is the most beautiful mountain in the world. It is the most beautiful mountain in the world.
We try sushi for the first time. We try sushi for the first time. The sushi is so fresh and wonderful. The sushi is so fresh and wonderful. At night, Tokyo is full.
Of lights
At night, Tokyo is full of lights. Japan,
is an
amazing country. Japan is an amazing country.
we
Eat ice cream under.
the cherry blossoms.
We eat ice cream under the cherry blossoms.
We
Will always remember.
Japan.
We will always remember Japan.